Hello and welcome back to Saber Outdoors. My name, of course, is Mark Alexander, your wonderful host. And today we're doing the Creme. I don't know which one it is. Y'all tell me in the comments. We're going to call it Creme. We're doing the Creme Ultralight Challenge. Guys, Creme is a company more known for their soft plastic baits, but they have a line of hard plastic baits too. And these are tiny, itty-bitty, like, look, there's just, I can cover it up with my finger. Not even a little bit of trouble. All these lures. These here in particular are tiny, tiny, tiny. Like, look, there's my thumb next to that little thing. Now, in this kit, if I can quit dropping things, in this kit we have 2 jerk baits. We have a lipless, and we have 2 micro, like itty bitty, like 1 treble hook crankbaits. And I also picked up a little craw crankbait. I've never tried any of these before, but I'm curious to see. You know, these weren't expensive, and I'm curious to see how these do fishing in a regular plain old pond. I love pond fishing. I'm a pond beater, bank beater. You know, that's what I am. I will walk a bank all day long if you give me half a chance. But guys, let's see how these do. All right, guys, we're gonna ease up on this spot. We're gonna try our luck with this micro jerk bait. I don't know if it floats or not, so we may just end up throwing it and immediately getting it hung up. But we're gonna ease down here and try our luck with it. Oh, I had a bite. I don't know if they're not getting the hook, or if these hooks are just not that great, because this is a cheap lure. It don't look bad in the water. Always pick up your stuff if you can. This honestly might have been so far down here that they couldn't, so I'm not going to lambaste them. I just saw one jump, and I've got one on. He is a micro. A bluegill. Well, that was an unexpected surprise. I'll take a bluegill. Ah, you dog. As soon as he flopped, he stuck me good. Oof, he got that front hook in there good. Don't get me hooked, or so help me, you will have a bad day, and I will be the cause. All right, guys, so we've got him off. He's completely fine. Nice little good bluegill. If we were going to go catfishing, you would be on the menu, my guy. Tell your mama I'm coming. There he goes, with a nice little jump to boot. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change lures, and we're going to see if we can lamb this thing. All right, guys, we did so good on that other jerk bait. We're going to try a fire tiger this time. Just see if we can get all the jerk baits knocked out. So let's get it out there. Did you all see that? There must be something great happening over there. I'm on. Got me a little old bass, looks like. Anyway. Hey, that is the tiniest bass I've ever seen. Not really, but you understand. Well, guys, gotta be thankful for small favors, and that sure enough is one. But he counts, so that's another lure down. Tell your mama I'm coming. Get out of here. Throw him on the other side of all that mess so he doesn't have to hork it down while he's getting through. Okay, guys, so that's 2 down, several to go. So let's get all the gunk off of this one and tie something else on. All right, guys, so we're gonna try this little micro lipless blueback shiny side. I can't hardly see how this will not catch fish, but you know, I've been lucky like that before, so I'm not gonna guarantee anything. I'm just gonna throw it and hope for the best. It's got a really narrow wobble to it. I mean, it is really tiny. I'm on. Ah, the little booger must have threw my hook. Come on. Ah, come on, hooks. Quit being so cheap. I'm on. And I don't think that one's gonna come off this time. That's either a nice bluegill. It is a nice bluegill. Look at that. Looky there, guys. Nice bluegill. Not epic, but I'm proud to have him. So you're the one that keeps playing with me. There he is, guys. Let me make sure he didn't splash you. There he is. I'm glad that baby told you I was coming, Mama. Now I can find my grandmama. There you go. Back into the water. So guys, that's this bait done. Let's change up and get a new one on. All right, guys, we're gonna try our luck with the most micro of micro. Look, I can cover that up with just my fingertip. But that's part of the reason why I'm using this Lew's underspin. This ultralight rig should get this lure out a reasonable amount of distance. And it gets it way better than I expected. Now with these little tiny baits, you've got to reel them slow, because they're so small that they'll just blow out and be running sideways for no reason. Oh, a crappie come up and nailed it right at shore. Come on. Looks like another bluegill. Guys, these bluegill are fired up. Fired up, let me tell you. You're not a crappie, but I'm sure glad to have you. There he is. So guys, we're 4 for 4 so far. Let's see if we can keep it up. All right, guys, we've got the other one of our little micro cranks on. This one's kind of silver and blue with orangish yellow side. You tell me. Maybe gold? Possibly. I don't know. But it's the last lure from that pack. And then all we'll have is just... Oh, this one runs crooked. We're going to have to work on this one. Let's see if we can get her to run in a little straighter. Get her handy dandy pliers out. And we're gonna take and tune this up. We're gonna take and, because it's running really far to one side, we're gonna turn it to the other and see if that makes any difference. Get it in there. It still runs a little crooked, but that tuning helped. Come on. Ah! Quit playing with my heart, man. I can't stand it. There he is. That's probably a good or better bass, or maybe a crappie. No, it's a darn bluegill. You're not supposed to fight that good. Well, let's get him off. These little old hooks they work, but they're difficult to get out. All right, guys, another bluegill. Thought he was something bigger, but back he goes. Kerplunk. And guys, that's another lure down. That's every single crankbait, little micro crankbait in that pack done. So let's try our luck with the one thing not in that crankbait kit, and that's the little craw hard bait. All right, guys, we're back with our craw lure, and boy, you can see it looks really nice. And I thought the bottom was white, but it's actually fire red. But this should dive deeper, cast farther, and do all the things better than any of the rest. Let's see what it does. Oh, I'm on him. What have I got? Come on, slam. Achieved. Ba-boom. Slam achieved. Get all this mess off of you. All right, guys. Creme slam achieved. We caught a lure on every single one of our crankbaits. Most of them were bluegill, but hey, we're not going to be upset with fish. Fish is better than no fish. Bluegill are better than no fish. But guys, we're going to keep fishing just to see what else we get into. We're going to try and sneak up on them with this little itty bitty jerkbait. Come on. That didn't take long. Oh, I lost him. All right, guys. So camera died. So here we are. Didn't catch any more after that last fish, but guys, we completed the slam. Guys, we took our little Lew's underspin ultralight rig, and we took all of our lures, and we caught at least one fish on every single one of them. Multi-species, we caught bass, we caught bluegill. We came that desperately close to a crappie. That made me sad, because that would have been a really good catch for the video on the channel. But guys, that's why they call it fishing, not catching. Now, of all these, which one do I like best? I'd have to say it's the one I currently have tied on, and that is the little silver jerkbait. But they work just fine. Now, I will say the hooks on these are exceptionally cheap, so they don't hold very good. They're not the greatest in that regard. If I had to buy again, let me back this up, because I would buy them again because of you. You out there are the reason that I own this thing. But if I were just somebody going through Walmart looking and I saw this, I think next time I'd pass it up. And I'd buy something like a Yozuri, because those look just like this, but they have better hooks, which means when fish bite and they get a hold to that hook, I catch them. And I don't have a million, oh, I just got bit. Oh, I just got bit. Ah, I can't believe I missed that fish. I don't end up with so many of those. But guys, that's all there is to this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification. Gonna say it twice like I do every single time. Subscribe. We're pushing for 1,000 subscribers, and you could be one of them. Guys, it doesn't cost anything, and the only thing it does is help me. That's all it does, is help me. It doesn't hurt you. It doesn't cost you any money. None of that. But I could go on for that for a long time. All I'm going to say is thanks again. We'll see you somewhere in the woods or on the water.